really does like it.
But you can't just stroke him anywhere.
He doesn't like it when I stroke his foot.
That's right. That's right. Puppies don't like it when you tickle their feet.
I'm sorry. I'll be more careful. I'm sorry. I'll be more careful.
Leave Toto alone and see what happens. Ah, you see, he is dozing off. Should we wake Toto up with bubbles? You know how to blow bubbles, don't you? Blow here. Go ahead, blow. Now, pop the bubbles with your finger. That'll wake Toto up. All right, now say the name of the food and trace the shapes with your finger. Now give it to Toto. Come on, come on.